Bit of a bloodbath here in the crypto markets today, and these kind of washouts can be extremely scary, especially if you're not too familiar with these larger corrections that we tend to get in the markets from time to time. And really, the altcoins are suffering the most here. In this video, we're going to check out very quickly Trumpcoin. What's going on? Trumpcoin has come down to $26. Are we following the plan that we were talking about in our recent video of potentially creating a double bottom reversal pattern? Let's talk about the odds here. Could we go lower or might we go higher? First of all, we can see Bitcoin is sitting at 98.8k. Ethereum has had a massive wipeout, 7% down. XRP down 10%. The market is certainly taking a bit of a correction, and I think many people's portfolios are feeling it right now. We can see the market is down to $3.35 trillion on the day. We've got a lot of red in these markets, and it's been a pretty bad week in general for crypto. On average, even the month of January itself has not been as promising as we may have hoped for. So yeah, fear and greed index wise, we've got 71 in the market. So it's still actually a greedy market, but I think a lot of retailers are feeling scared right now, especially with Bitcoin hovering back down below $100,000. Really big 5% move to the downside on a single 24-hour time frame. So could this just be another big washout is what I'm kind of wondering. Now, I'm not going to factor in any news or fundamentals. I'm just going to look at only price structure alone. And here we can see Trump got rejected at $32 basically yesterday. And this is where you can really see how volatile crypto is, because you had a 25% move to the upside. And then, the next 24 hours, there's a 23% move to the downside. So it's not for the faint-hearted, this particular market. If you're used to stocks, shares, and things that move 1-2% or something like that, then this can be quite frightening. And this is the world of crypto, guys. So this is, it's a high risk, high reward space. Now we can see we obviously got rejected. We lost this big diagonal support, and that's now invalidated. So that channel is now completely invalidated, and I guess it's written off. But what we can look for now is the fact that we've got a new falling wedge pattern to look at, which could potentially bounce just like we had here, or we could even view this now as the chance to have a massive double bottom, which would effectively just be like this, a big W trading pattern. That's what we want to see here, a nice reversal. And if we can retarget $32 and get this rally to the upside, Trump should look very, very strong, and it should be a big pump. This could just be one massive shakeout from the whales for the smart money to scare people. Otherwise, I think we could lose $25 and come down to $22. The reason I think that might not happen is the amount of buyback and support we're getting down here at these lower thresholds. $25, loads of buyback pressure. $24, loads of buyback pressure, as well as $25 on a few other occasions right here. So much support down here. They don't want this coin to go down lower, and I don't think Trump would want this to go down lower anyway. He's already a billionaire. His reputation is on the line, so it just wouldn't make sense. I really hope we don't see this go down, but it's still a possible if we see Bitcoin go down. If Bitcoin goes to 90k, 85k, 80k or 75k, it's going to pull altcoins and memes down with it. So there is still that factor. There's still that possibility, and we don't want to see that happen as such. Right now, I'm just hoping we get a bullish reversal, we get this double bottom, this nice W play out, and then boom, we break out to the upside. Hopefully we can sort of re-enter then resistances of around $35. Give it time, give it a few weeks, give it a few months. Don't rush in. And I think overall what's happening is completely fine. If we look on our rainbow chart, if we look at our BLX right here, we can see, we are still sitting in the red zone of our logarithmic regression. And this is basically our overbought area. In the red is the greed. And then the green is when we're in a bear market, when things are crashing really hard. Right now, we're still sitting in the second sort of half, or the lower half of this red region. And yeah, there's tons of selling pressure at $108,000, $110,000 on the BLX, as you can see. But eventually, I think we could break through it, and we could see some good continuation to the upside for the markets here. This could be a bit of a shakeout. I'm still waiting for that day where we see that big pump, where we see Bitcoin go to 120, 130, 140, and I think we'll top out around 154,000. People think I'm crazy just because I only think it will top out 150k. I think that's realistic. I think that's fine. People also think I'm crazy because I think Bitcoin will come down to maybe lows of $40,000 next bear market cycle. But hey, when Bitcoin was 67k, people did not think Bitcoin would come down to a crazy 15K, but it did. So these are things to prepare for the future. Bitcoin can indeed correct 77% in a single cycle. If Bitcoin even went to $150,000 and still corrected 77%, you are looking at about $35,000. So prepare yourselves. You got to have these things in your mind. You got to prepare for the future. So it's things that I'm already looking at. I'm not looking at today or next week. I'm looking way into the future so I can, make these things happen when the time is right. So also factor that in, guys. Crypto bull market, 6 to 12 months maybe left. Trump token, we need to see get a bit of momentum. I still think we've got plenty of time in this market to see this recover. Few months is all it could take to see this coin look good again. Also, guys, if you are looking to make more potential gains, please do check out Jacob's Crypto Clan Discord right down below. This could be a good place for you guys to also chill and hang out when the market does get a lot of carnage. Everyone's there for each other, supporting each other, giving each other ideas. People are still making big trades in these markets as well, even with the market going crazy. Like this guy made a short right here, and he made 1,215%. So I've got all the trading signals as well down below. You can get these trading signals, become a patron, support the movement. Some are only $5 a month, like the crypto degen role right here, or you can become a crypto hunter, a crypto warrior, crypto champion. We've got these different VIP packages for you guys. Only a few slots remain. So if you really want to maximize this bull market, check out the Patreon down below. Do us a bit of a favor and really push us to the algorithm. Like this video. Let the algorithm know that we're here to provide news and insights around the blockchain markets. And hopefully, create more big goals and dreams for people. And overall, that's the inspiration here. We've got 38K in the Discord. Let's get to 40,000. Let's get more people in the Discord. Why not create a massive community? Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Let me know down below. What are you doing with your Trump? Have you sold it? Have you sold it in a loss? Have you sold but in a profit? Are you still holding? Are you looking to buy more? I'd love to know. See you soon. Peace.